So in your reading for fun, you will need to um, answer a comprehension question, a couple of them from your reading for the week. So starting in week 3, you will be reading for fun in Epic. So Epic is going to be where you go, and I explain in there that if you do have a book from the library or something, just let me know. But I would really like it if you used Epic because it has a lot of great stories in there, and you can find chapter books as well. But anyway, so for your reading for fun, you have 20 minutes a day, and you only have to fill out questions once a week for it. If you click on the question link there, it'll take you to, have to fix that link, questions here. One of the questions is, in a compound sentence, what do you think are the two most important things that happened after reading your story today? So a compound sentence, we have gone over that in 2nd grade, but we're going to review that again. I think a lot of people need a refresher for that. So as a reminder, a compound sentence is where you have two sentences and you make it into one. So let's take a look at the sentence. The eggs are fresh, comma. You're going to use one of these conjunctions. So it's going to be the word, here is so or and. Another conjunction can be but or because. And so the eggs are fresh and the berries are sweet. That's going to be the correct conjunction for this sentence. So let's take a look at the compound sentence. So the eggs are fresh. That's a complete sentence. It could be a complete sentence on its own. And then the berries are sweet. That is also a complete sentence. It could be a sentence on its own if you capitalize the T and put a period at the end here. That could be two sentences. Well, sometimes, what we use is a compound sentence. A compound sentence to connect the two with a coordinating conjunction word, just to make your writing more fluid, and it's more, make it more smooth. So that is a sentence that you'll be using quite a bit, and I want you to learn how to use it in your everyday writing. So the eggs are fresh and the berries are sweet. So it has to be two complete sentences in order for it to be a compound sentence, and you will always want to use that comma in place. So there would have been a period, the eggs are fresh period, but since we're combining two sentences, you replace that period with a comma, and the berries are sweet. Let's take a look at another sentence. The workers respect Mr. Gruber, comma. And then we have a conjunction here. So they listen to his ideas, or but they listen to his ideas. In this instance, the conjunction would be so. That would be the best that fits in here. So let's take a look at this. The workers respect Mr. Gruber. That's a sentence. It could be a complete sentence on its own. They listen to his ideas. That could be a complete sentence on its own. But to make, instead of two choppy sentences, we have one fluid compound sentence. But remember, again, you have to replace that period if it were one sentence with a comma and add that conjunction word, and, but, or, so, because. So they listen to his ideas. That is not a count. Let's take a look at the sentence. Jane took her lunch to school, so but forgot her juice. Okay, so but is still a conjunction word. This is not a compound sentence. So Jane took her lunch to school. That's a sentence. But you cannot put a comma there because this forgot her juice. Forgot her juice is not a complete sentence on its own. So it's not a compound sentence. Jane took her lunch to school, but forgot her juice. You can, I mean, this is still a great sentence. It's just not a compound sentence. They're not putting two complete sentences into one sentence. So that's why you do not need a comma. Don't don't always just use a comma because you have the word but, and, or so, and they have to be connected by one of these conjunction words if it's two complete sentences. So this is a good one to look at because forgot her juice. Who forgot her juice? Jane took her lunch to school, comma, but she forgot her juice. If the sentence was she forgot her juice, that would be a complete sentence, and we could put a comma right here, but it's not. So this isn't a compound sentence. I want you to be writing compound sentences, two complete sentences into one sentence, connected by a comma and a conjunction word. Let's take a look at another one. Hang the painting in the bedroom or in the hallway. Now, this is not a compound sentence because it doesn't have a comma. Hang the painting in the bedroom, so hang the painting in the bedroom is a sentence. In the hallway is not, there's not a, what are they hanging in the hallway? So hang the painting in the bedroom, that's a complete sentence. Or then if you say you could hang it in the hallway, that would be a complete sentence, and then it would be a compound sentence. But see if we can, this is a compound sentence. It is still raining, and that could be a period. We can't go sailing after all. And that would be a complete sentence. So then we connect it with a comma and the word, it is still raining, so we can't go sailing after all. So you want to use the correct, you can't say or we can't go sailing. That wouldn't make sense. Anyway, compound sentences, we'll be going over those, but I wanted to give a quick video on that, a quick little lesson. Have a great day.